I told everybody I ain't got no more forks. Cassie said, I don't care. I said, I pinched my finger. I can't do it. I'm done. I can't work on another fork. She said, fine, I'll do it. So here she is. I can hear the truck outside the garage.
I'm in. Obviously, I'm in. I never said I wasn't in. I'm in. I never said I wasn't in.
Me neither. Neither.
Okay, Cassie.
Tell us what we're doing next.
I want to put together a cookout.
I was
Of
honestly
course.
prepared to blow someone.
Terry.
Yeah, she's gonna be like, oh my god, so good to see you. How have you been? Probably want a hug or something.
Terry.
I said prepared to blow someone.
What?
Terry.
I said prepared. Prepared and someone.
Nothing but a chicken wing on a string of Burger King. What up, Lady Cassie?
Hi.
Sure, how you doing?
Someone.
I put it together so people could buy it. I don't want it anymore. I built it up. I had a good time with it. I took out the lipos just in case anybody wants to buy just a bike with some simple mods, but nothing crazy. And so I got a couple people that are interested, and they're like, "Oh, really? Yeah. What kind of life does it have?" I'm like, "Those batteries are brand new because they're right out of the Rambler, and they're exactly what goes in." So I went ahead and laid out a yoga mat for you. And that takes like 12 minutes to close. And I was like, how long is this?
Time's enough,
And
isn't
I
it?
hurt my thumb, so I can't do the job. So we're just gonna.
Hey. Hi. Here, you want to work? Popcorn, we're at the Fight Club.
Oh yeah, Fight Club.
I left her in the most.
She brought it up. Yeah, right when we're at Lou's Tavern.
Remember what you told me to remind
Like-
you? Sometime.
Like she's like, I gotta go, and I'm getting all into it, you know. And I'm like, well, just push pause. And she's like, I know, but I just want to watch. And then it gets really, really good. And then we're at Lou's Tavern, where you know all the people are there, you know. And he's like, second rule, and he's like, I'm fucking Lou, right?
It's obsessed.
So right then and there, man, he's like, we want to stay. And then the dude pops him and he's like, do you got it? And he's like, yeah.
I have more.
No, I lost it.
Grandpa just
Bam! And then she's like, pause.
The high point is trying to talk out of it.
Wait, yeah. What the fuck?
I'm like, okay, now you want to go grocery shopping in the middle of traffic, right? It's traffic time. Let's go. Let's get on the road right now. Let's forget our wallet too when we get there.
I vote. No
Selfie of her grocery.
Yeah, no shit, right?
I
Like,
vote.
awkward.
No voting. No debate. It's not a democracy. It's a rigged
Trash and like clean up the floors a bit.
There's got to be a balance.
What's
You know,
on the other scale?
you've been on the other end of the scale.
Republic.
Your favorite part was the other scale.
She came home and like her little sweater was just hanging off her
In or
butt.
you're out.
And her tail's wagging it.
Obviously, I'm in.
And I gotta take the wheel off.
In. I never.
There's only two wheels. One of these wheels has to come off.
In. I never said I
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Tell us what we're doing next.
Is it loose yet?
I want to put together a cookout.
That's it? I was honestly prepared to blow someone.
Terry.
Blow someone. Blow someone. Prepared to blow.
Yeah, it's a ratchet, but it's already loose. You can take it off now and just use your fingers.
It was loose enough to not
I
run
was
over.
honestly prepared to blow
He's being
someone.
silly.
I said prepared. Prepared and someone.
Terry.
Well, line up your bolts.
I said prepared.
So
Prepared
pull it.
and
What we're
someone.
gonna do is called the wiggle wiggle. Take your wheel up and stick it out. Ah, don't you take the wheel.
Rick invited 5 versions of our family from different universes.
Kind of know where the shit went. There should be one or more of those little black spacers.
I didn't have anyone to talk to.
You gotta be able to break it. No, it's not.
Since
Well, yeah, probably. It's really tight.
Boob world.
Yeah. Alright, so
Boob world. The boob world. Been to boob world.
this one.
Been to boob world. Been to boob. Four Mortys had been to boob world. Did you walk on the beach? The beach that's all boob. All boobs? No. It's all boobs. The beach that's all boobs? No, the beach that's all sand. Yes. And yes, the boob one. Boob heads of the 5 families in summer.
In that first sit down, it was Big Fat Rick, Ricardo Montoya, Hothead Rick. He got that name because he was prone to dramatic outbursts, and Lil Ricky Wrap It Up, who was always great at the end of a meeting. At the head of a meeting. At the head of it all, me and Grandpa Rick.
Don't get me wrong, C-137. We're happy for your good fortune, but we did not travel to your universe. Not travel to your universe just to have it rubbed in our faces. Come on, Big Fat Rick. You know your face is too small to rub anything on. My face is the same size as yours. Wow, huh? Hold on. I'll be damned. So fat, you're an optical illusion. You're an optical illusion. Fat, you're an optical illusion. You're an optical illusion. Summer, give him the pitch. Summer, give him the pitch.
We're offering to help each of your families complete their full Go-trons.
Little boy in the slums, I have dreamed of having a complete Go-tron, but concessions? I hope you mean the kind from a cat. I hope she means ice cream. Ice cream. Like you to relocate your families to this universe and let me make some modifications to the Go-trons. In the interest of us all working together. Want to know what I think? Sure, Hedrick. Just don't unexpectedly fly off the handle. Unexpectedly fly off the handle. I think you guys got a lot of nerve acting better than us. This is the family that made a giant incest baby. An incest baby. Had the government launch it into space. It's still floating around up there somewhere.
Great job, Cassie. You did all the work yourself. Huh?
I get a full Go-tron. It won't be by
I wasn't paying attention to the camera. This one was a little bit of a hassle. Looks pretty good. While it's rotating at full speed. Yes! I get to film you doing it now. Heck yeah, man. Next on Car Girl's Garage, I put a fork on incorrectly. As we discussed color matching jails for our bikes to our nails. Yeah, my whole team is pink, including my brother. I think people should be whatever they think they should be, as long as they know who they are. That's the reason why they pay us the big bucks. It's that stuff that fixes the turbo so that we can drive it home, honey. Because that's what the mechanic says it needs.
That's peanut butter cookie.
Right.
You didn't. Or am I not holding it enough? No. I'm saying, like, does this go before and then through it? Or does this
Cool. Somebody wants me to upgrade an MX stock fork upgrade for a 180-pound rider. Bro, be glad to do it. Less work for me. As you can tell, I got female labor over here, and you see how that's working out. Yeah, that's where the money is. I need a bathroom that's for me, and I need toiletries, and equal workspace, but not equal workload, for equal pay, and 9 months leave. When we get a giant turd in our gut, we don't get 30 minutes, you get 9 months. Like, what the hell? duck with
country as a
this.
buffer zone to protect.
Why does he
Okay.
always want to be hunted?
Jerry,
You're a fantastic job, guys.
Rick can make pretty boys in the family and place them all around the country, but fuck me if I have questions about the starfish
yeah.
man and a target.
So thankful.
The extra height, yeah.
Why was he in that cryopod?
The cryopod is what confuses you, Jerry. Can't you see? Don?
Where you work it.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. It's always good to make sure that.
I like it's not.
Okay, well, whenever you mount stuff, you want to make sure that they're kind of tight. And then when you get to the point where there's no more bolts to get real tight, then you finish them all off. That's called fit and finish, and it really makes a difference in your life. Holy crap, it actually spins. I thought it was going to be like from the get-go, you know what I mean? Because it's longer, we have to adjust the cable now.
That's a lie.
There you go.
That's a lie. That's a lie. A lie. A lie.
You're supposed to spin it so that it keeps going.
So someone out there is trying to kill us.
Right. God bless. It's not the rotor that's worked, it's everything else. Spokes, the axle.
They go on fun, self-contained terrestrial adventures and
That's why you're staying front brake cable, Cassie.
shit.
Man, you keep putting miles on this bad boy, and we'll do a front wheel upgrade, brake upgrade. You know, you put some miles down on this bad boy. I don't see why we couldn't just keep doing shit to it.
Jabba still outside. What's a decoy family?
Hard concept, Morty. Hard concept.
Sure, you got the body kit. Now we just need to put some white LEDs on the body kits, and it'll light up pink. That's gonna look epic. White LEDs are cheaper than any other. Or you could be super cheap and use the bicycle lights and just like mount them strategically. And then you gotta go stick your hand in there like you're trying to find a baby goat. You're trying to deliver a sheep. Let me turn off my bike. Click, 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 click. And you know, it's the one that does the fast blink and the slow blink. So you're like, 1, 2, 3. Okay, where's the next one? Where's the next one? You need a sonar or something. You can see the spine here. It's a boy. All right, let's put it up on its wheels, huh? No, not yet, huh? Ooh! This is way taller now. If you don't like it, I'll take it right back off. Cool. There you go. Now I can see you and the bike. Before it was just from your neck down, so everybody's just staring at your boobs. Dude. Just kidding. I was making sure to get the entire bike. Nah. Great job. You look good on it too. It looks like it's a proper height. We just need to fix the kickstand. She's excited. Gets up to. All right, I'm here. Gotta turn one. Yay. But other than that, are you happy? Damn it.
Yes.
Now that we're done with your list of complaints, can we get a compliment? That'd be great.
I did great. I'll pat myself on the back.
Yeah, pat yourself on the back. Huh, she actually fell for it. I think I seen this on the beginning of E.T. back in the day. Hell yeah.
Remind me to take my brother.
Yay. Get out of my parking lot, lady. Yeah, let's go inside. Crazy people. Yeah, I call you crazy. I call you crazy because you're taking little kids' Chinese bikes and you're having all kinds of dirty thoughts about putting crazy seats on there and headlights and brake kits and forks. You shouldn't be doing this stuff. These are children's toys. Let your children play with them. Or go ahead and spend all the money that you can so that they'll fit us like adults.